Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Book. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Book battery is draining too quickly, you're not alone. This issue can stem from several factors, including software settings, background applications, or a failing battery. If left untreated, it could lead to a complete battery failure, leaving you unable to use your device when you need it most. To tackle this issue, you will need a Torx screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new battery compatible with your Surface Book. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of the Surface Book. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging any components inside. Once you have access to the internals, locate the battery. It should be clearly visible and connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard, making sure not to pull on any nearby wires. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place with your Torx screwdriver. Remember to keep these screws safe as you'll need them for the new battery. Gently lift the battery out of the casing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and place it into the same position as the old one. Reattach the screws to secure the battery, ensuring they are tightened firmly but not overly so, as this could damage the battery or the casing. Once the battery is in place, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. Make sure it's seated properly to avoid connection issues. Carefully replace the back cover, ensuring it clicks into place along all edges. Now, power on your Surface Book and check if the battery is charging as expected. If everything seems to be functioning correctly, congratulations, you've successfully replaced your battery. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check your device settings, close unnecessary background applications, and ensure your software is up to date. This will help maintain battery health and optimize performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.